Now getting down. Now trying getting up, 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 up. Now complete up. Now getting down. Operating, getting down. Next, tilt. Both side tilt checking. Right side, left side. Now right side. Okay, fine. Next, I keep normal position. Next, complete up and down, horizontal and vertical. See, you can see here. Complete. Okay, standing position. Next, again normal position. Check here, normal position I keep here. So all movements I'm operating by remote. You can find out here this table is working, OT table, gynaec, major OT. Okay, now keep normal position. Technician, listen to carefully. Next, head movement. Head movement also fine. See here, down, now up. Next, down, normal position, down, down, down. Yes, come on, quick, done it. Yes. Next, I keep normal position.
Go.